let's get into the video, you guys. Okay, with these gems that I got from the Dollar Tree or Dollarama here. I think I got it from the Dollarama. So I'm gonna use these gems to go around another row of these here. Which is grab my glue gun. Sorry you guys, everything is all messy. Oh my god, look, can you guys see what I made? Fooling around with the glue gun. It's like a phone case. Oh, it just got burnt. A phone case for my iPhone 6. So yeah, I should glitterize it though. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and add another drop of glue on this, and I'm gonna go around again. I'm just gonna go like this. I'm just gonna empty this out. Just run it on. For some reason on the mirror, the glue sticks, like it dries up really fast. I'm just gonna see if it takes one or two. It's just gonna take one. Okay, so like this. Then these spoons, I'm just gonna put like that all around. Okay. La 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 la. In the corners here, I'm just gonna put some. Oh, I hope you guys can see. I'm gonna put some like this. Okay, I'm gonna put some in between again. So these ones here, I'm gonna add a couple more, but I'm gonna cut it off to make it a little bit shorter to fit in between these ones. Okay, so like this. Okay, I'm gonna fit this in between here. Okay, and I'm gonna do another one. Just like you just measure like here, and you just break it off. Okay, so on these, I'm gonna grab this spoon here. I'm gonna break it off. Set. Let's just try to put it in. Okay, so this is what it's looking like so far. Oh my god, it's really cool. It's looking like really cool already. Okay, I'm just gonna turn this over and I'm gonna add some stands for it. And what I use for stands, this like today, I'm gonna use these gems. Maybe I'll put like 5 stems like this. I'm gonna go one drop. That it can stand on the flat part of the gem. Okay, so it's better to like get the gem first and stand. Okay, so let's see how it stands. You see that? So I have one of these tea lights here. I'm gonna grab one. And it's just gonna go in here. Like this. I can stick it on if I want to, like this. Just, and there you have it. So here you guys, this is the final product.